so calm. It's hot, but it's nice and calm. "91 degrees. It is toasty out here." That works. Probably hot water though. It's 91 degrees, so yeah, it's to be expected. Ah, look at the mateys. They rock the plank. Well, that's creepy.
Definitely animatronic.
Yeah, it is, but it's creepy.
I think like
Oh, but this is fresh water. Wow, that goes out for miles. Well, this is fresh water. This is, I don't smell anything, to be honest. I really can't smell anything. Way out there.
that's what I was thinking.
Wait, this is, oh, Bob Lancelot. My bad, I read it wrong. I just saw his memory of Lancelot. I didn't even see the word Bob there. It's like, in memory of Lancelot. Woo! Now the point job is not to fall down. What?
I can do it.
What kind of bird is that?
I don't know. I'm trying to get a closer look at it. It's got a long beak though. A duck? A duck?
No, it's not a duck.
No.
It's another type of bird of some sort.
It's a waterfowl still, though.
Yeah, it's...
Well, it's underwater now. It's, I don't know where it went. Wow, it can hold its breath.
Where did it go?
It's holding its breath a long time.
It could still.
Oh, there it came up over there.
Whoa!
This ran a long ways.
Yeah. Loch Ness Monster. Looks like a Loch Ness Monster on my phone. Oh, it's gone now. Yeah, we're at one of the Finger Lakes. Seneca Lake. Rock for good measures. I failed. Throwing. Fine. No one saw us. You didn't see anything. So the trip to Ocean City has been confirmed. This is just a little snippet of we're doing small trips too. So Ocean City vlog and these small trips. So enjoy this vlog, and next vlog will be the Ocean City. See you guys in the next one.